Ashama Ashama, akkam bultani yookaan akkam oltani, wherever you are in the world, we welcome you back to Lesson 3 of Koko Presents Afaan Oromoo Lessons. Barumsa Sadaffaa Lesson 3. Barumsa Sadaffaa Lesson 3. Affeera Invitation. Affeera Invitation. Example number 1. Buna si affeeru, may I get you a cup of coffee? Buna si affeeru, may I get you a cup of coffee? You may respond as Natti tola, I would like that. Natti tola, I would like that. When asking someone what they would like to drink, you may say Maal dhuguu barbaada? Maal dhuguu barbaada? When you want to take a person's order, you may say Maal si ajajamu in reference to a single person, or Maal isini ajajamu in reference to many people. If you want to ask a person what they would like to get, you can say Maal si affeeru, what would you like to get? Maal si affeeru, what would you like to get? If you want to check whether a person has already ordered, you can say Ajajattanii jirtu obbo, have you ordered, sir? Ajajattanii jirtu obbo, have you ordered, sir? If you want to ask someone to join you for dinner, you can say Irbaata waliin nyaannu, will you join us for dinner? Irbaata waliin nyaannu, will you join us for dinner? That person can respond as Tole, fedha kooti, yes, I would like that. Tole, fedha kooti, yes, I would like that. Or they can also say Eeyyee nan jaalladha, yes, I would love to. Eeyyee nan jaalladha, yes, I would love to. When seeking to ask if someone wants to get lunch with you, you say Yeroo qabda, laaqana osoo waliin nyaanne. Do you have time? Can we eat lunch together? Yeroo qabda, laaqana osoo waliin nyaanne. Do you have time? Can we eat lunch together? The person at the receiving end of this question can respond as Baay'een jaalladha, I would like that very much. Baay'een jaalladha, I would like that very much. Or it is possible to say Ulfaadhu, baay'ee natti tola. Thank you, I'd like that very much. Ulfaadhu, baay'ee natti tola. Thank you, I'd like that very much. If you want to ask someone to come to a party, you can say Galgala har'a affeera qabna. We are having a party tonight. Galgala har'a affeera qabna. We are having a party tonight. And that person might say Yaada baay'ee bareedaadha. That is a good idea. Yaada baay'ee bareedaadha. That is a good idea. If you want to insist and make the person come, you can say Maaloo kottu, please come. Maaloo kottu, please come. That person may respond as Dhufuun yaala, I will try to make it. Dhufuun yaala, I will try to make it. To further encourage that person to come, you can say Yeroo gaarii waliin ni dabarsina. We will have great time. Yeroo gaarii waliin ni dabarsina. We will have great time. Ni ta'a, all right. Ni ta'a, all right. When you want to propose the idea of getting lunch to someone, you can say Laaqana wajjin haa nyaannu. Let us get lunch. Laaqana wajjin haa nyaannu. Let us get lunch. Affirmative answers to such a question can be Natti tola or nan jaalladha. Both of them mean I would love to. Or Ulfaadhu or Galatooma. Both of them can mean thank you. Or lastly, you can also say Ulfaadhu nan gammadda. Thank you, I am very glad. Ulfaadhu nan gammadda. Thank you, I am very glad. In instances where you want to invite a person to a special event, you can say Yaa'ii gumii gaayoo waxabajjii gaggeeffamu irratti si affeeruun barbaada. I would like to invite you to the Gumii Gaayoo assembly which will take place in the coming June. Yaa'ii gumii gaayoo waxabajjii gaggeeffamu irratti si affeeruun barbaada. I would like to invite you to the Gumii Gaayoo assembly which will take place in the coming June. When one wants to ask specifics about the invitation, he or she can say Yoom guyyaa isaan, when is the date? Yoom guyyaan isaa, when is the date? The person extending the invitation can respond as Waxabajjii 23 on June the 23rd. Waxabajjii 23 on June the 23rd. Finally, you can respond as Ulfaadhu si wajjiniin deemna. Thank you, I will go with you. Ulfaadhu si wajjiniin deemna. Thank you, I will go with you. We have now come to the part of the lesson where we will practice some exercises. Gilgala exercise. Gilgala exercise. Question number 1. May I get you a cup of coffee? Please try writing this in Afaan Oromoo. Question number 2. Let us get lunch. Question number 3. Yes, I'd love to. Thank you, and we appreciate you for sitting down for another round of Kako Presents Afaan Oromoo lessons. Galatoma, thank you. You can send us your comments or inquiries at kakoofficial@gmail.com. You can also find us at kakoofficial on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Nagatti.